It was thought that hummingbird plants produced orange and red flowers to attract their messengers. But the story is more intriguing than that. Bees are red-green colorblind. The plants were hiding their precious nectar from these insect robbers that can't see the difference between red and green. Whilst making it obvious for their feathered couriers. The hummingbirds too paid a price. To further protect their nectar from insects, the plants made their flowers